Hi, I'm Rosa Crumpton, a registered nurse and founder of Melanated Health Secrets. I partnered with Tamara Hawkins, a women's health functional medicine nurse practitioner, to create a resource to help fibroid sufferers learn from A to Z about fibroids and their treatment options, and specifically how to treat symptoms holistically in a functional medicine approach. This is the training and education that both me and Tamara wish that we had when we started on our own personal journey of a diagnosis of fibroids. So this short presentation is going to share some of the foundational strategies for understanding and managing fibroids naturally. So first off, it's crucial to understand what fibroids are. Simply put, they are non-cancerous growths in and around the uterus. They can vary in size and impact for each individual person. They can cause a range of symptoms from pretty minor to quite severe. Some of the most common symptoms are heavy, painful periods, clots, feeling tired, looking bloated, sometimes even pregnant, depending on the size and shape of the fibroids. So we don't know the exact cause of fibroids, but likely hormones and genetics play a key role. And this is where our approach begins. Learn how to balance the body's hormones and natural systems. So hormonal imbalance, particularly estrogen dominance, can contribute to fibroid growth. I have a little graph here on the left that shows some of the symptoms of increased estrogen. And these aren't necessarily specific to fibroids, but can cause additional symptoms. So managing hormones is a cornerstone of our strategy. We tackle this through dietary changes, stress management, and even detoxifying the body and adding supportive things such as supplements. Step 2 is adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. This includes eating a nutrient-rich diet full of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. So look for things that you buy at the store that aren't packaged, they don't have an ingredient label. These are whole single foods. That's what we predominantly want our diet to be. And also don't forget regular exercise. And we want to look for low impact exercises such as yoga, Pilates, walking is a great exercise, swimming. Especially when you're first starting out, you don't want to stress the body and cause more hormonal imbalances. We want to be supportive, help improve blood circulation and elimination, which will help manage our fibroid symptoms. Step 3 is an individualized plan. Like I said at the beginning, fibroids are unique to each person, and so we need a unique approach to holistically treating fibroids. So the treatment plan can be based on your unique symptoms and also any testing that you may have gotten done. We may need to add supplements to help boost your body's own healing, but this is all individualized. So some beneficial supplements in general for fibroid relief are vitamin D, green tea, and curcumin. Again, don't start any type of supplements till you've talked to your healthcare provider. It's important to remember that these strategies are part of a bigger picture, a holistic approach to your health. These are just 3 strategies that I shared with you, but they can help serve as a foundation to healing your own fibroid symptoms. So I'd like to introduce you to Fibroid Freedom Workshop. This is a 3-part workshop where we cover everything about fibroids and treatments from A to Z and everything in between. This program has on-demand videos you can watch from anytime, any device, anywhere. And each video has a beautiful printable transcript so that you can take this information while you meet with your healthcare team. Plus, you get access to our great bonuses. One is the Estrogen Dominance Workshop that really goes deep into the strategies for dealing with estrogen dominance. You get an implementation guide, which is your guide to creating your own fibroid freedom plan to use alongside with the videos. And then you get a period tracker that specifically was created for people with heavy bleeding, irregular periods, and other fibroid symptoms. Here's what some of the students have said about our Fibroid Freedom Workshop. One student said the emphasis on nutrition and awareness of estrogen dominance were important learning points for me. It was all enjoyable and I loved starting with the song. Another student said that my body has the ability to heal itself through nutrition and other lifestyle choices. Also, the gold nugget about advocating for yourself using the BRAIN acronym. Thank you for creating this course. I will continue to reference it as I heal my body. And the other testimony I'd like to share is Tamara's clarity and commitment to women's wellness, emphasizing empowered and informed consent, is truly needed. Her generous transmission of strategies to be proactive in womb and whole body health are wonderful, based on her depth of knowledge and her determination to make self-care pleasurable. Fibroid Freedom Workshop will help you understand your body, take control of your health, and start your journey towards fibroid freedom. Check out the link below to learn more and sign up. You can save 30% off for a limited time. We're excited to help you rewrite your story from fibroid frustration to vibrant health. Thank you for watching, and we welcome you to the Fibroid Freedom family.